Hello everyone, the Lovelace family here today, and we're going to check out the Margaritaville in Grand Turk, the pool and the beach area just outside of Margaritaville. We had came into port this day that we were the second ship in, so it was more crowded than normal, and the Carnival Legend was right beside us. So let's walk down this long dock and let's check out Margaritaville pool area and then also that awesome beach they have. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Thank you. Grand Turk is one of our favorite ports. Such a beautiful setting with the beach, the snorkeling there on the free public beach. You go right through this welcome to Grand Turk kind of port, tax and duty free shopping. And then as soon as you go through this, you'll make a left to go back towards Margaritaville. But they'll have things in here like, I can't remember if they have cigarettes or not, but usually they have cigarettes, alcohol, any kind of like trinkets you want to buy. Great souvenir shop. So when there is two ships in, I'm going to tell you right now, Margaritaville is going to be packed. And our focus today was just trying to find a table or chairs. There is music that will be playing, top 40 stuff, old time stuff, Jimmy Buffett stuff. But really cool shopping area here. You're going to have to pay for things, but a great place again to get souvenirs, anything with Kenny Chesney has a lot of stuff in here as well. Again, Jimmy Buffett. But as we came in this day, our goal was to find a place. So we're just kind of going to let music play and let you guys get a point of view of how crowded it is when two ships are in. So if you're the second ship coming in, you'll kind of know. But I would encourage you to, number one, try to find a place to sit first. We walk around the whole parameter of this. Then we'll take you a point of view of walking through the pool and seeing what that's like. It's a really nice pool and one of our favorite pools to visit on any of the ports that Carnival visits. All right, walking around this pool counterclockwise to the right, you're going to have a bar area. That's where you can go get your drinks. You're going to have restrooms straight ahead here. You see the sign right here. It says restrooms. Also, facing these restrooms, just to the left of them, you're going to see these little like cabana areas that you can rent. I'm not quite sure the price on that. I'll put a link into the website. But again, those are some pretty cool areas. I'll also have some villas over here that you can rent as well. But again, this is a pretty cool little area. I don't know how much air is moving there with it being up against the bathrooms, but people have those rented out in advance.
right, so ladies and gentlemen, here's the deal. Let me check something first. Let me check something. Carnival Legend, are you here? Carnival Magic, are you here? One more time. Carnival Legend, are you here? Carnival Magic, are you here? Shout out to all 10 of y'all. We appreciate you being here. All right. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful day. Listen, I have a hilarious song that I want y'all to hear real quick. If you are...
All right, so at the swim up bar, you got to get up here, just wait your time like everybody else. And, you know, you can get a bucket of beers. You can get, you know, pretty much any kind of mixed drink you want. This particular time, I will admit this was during spring break, and I was kind of shocked because we've been to Grand Turk quite a few times. I have muted out the song. They were playing the song Camel Toe, which I'd never heard of. And I had to explain to my 12-year-old son what that was. So just a heads up, Margaritaville, music being played, may not be so kid friendly. I was kind of shocked with the number of kids here, some of the graphic songs that were being played. Here my wife was trying to tell him what was the song, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. All right, we are making our way back completely full circle around the pool. Again, over here to the right is the bathrooms. If you want to go that way, we showed you earlier there's a middle bar between the flow rider and the bathrooms. But we're walking back towards the zero entry entrance into the pool. And they do have these pretty cool little umbrellas and stuff out in the water. Again, if you're the second ship in, you're not going to get one of those. But we're going to finish this off, and then we're going to go check the beach out real quick. Huge fan of the Grand Turk beach. The water is absolutely gorgeous. If you like snorkeling, it's usually really good as well. They've got an anchor out here. They also have a chain, a cannon, so really cool. And it's you know, towards a black and yellow pole out in the water. You also have the cruise ship right here that you're looking at, and this one we're looking at the Legend because we were on the other side with the Miracle. But man, the water is just so beautiful here. The umbrellas, there are some free umbrellas on this beach. Again, if you're second ship coming in, you're not going to get one right away. There are some that you have to pay for as well. Some offer internet packages and drink package as well. But we absolutely love the beach area here. I just went out to get my feet in the water this time. We did not do any snorkeling. We have other snorkeling videos out there. But again, beautiful beach here. Just a short walk too from Margaritaville. And finally, we're going to hit the Margaritaville restaurant. We're just going to show you right here. This is how you get into it. There's a long wait for this. It's about 30-45 minutes this day. We did go in here and eat. There would be a hashtag separate vlog on this on Margaritaville restaurant at Margaritaville Pool. So again, thank you for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We just wanted to give you kind of a point of view look at the pool area. One of our favorite places to go in Grand Turk. You cannot go wrong with the beach as well. But again, check out our future videos on the Carnival Miracle, and check out our future Margaritaville restaurant review that is coming your way. Thank you.